make stadium chaos. BJP alleges the Trinamool Congress mismanaged Lionel Messi's event, accusing the state ministers of ticket corruption, black marketing and the involvement of party supporters in disruptive incidents, turning the international event into a complete mess. Listen it.
देखिए, इतना बड़ा एक इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर भारत के अलग अलग हिस्से में जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। पश्चिम बंगाल में आज जो घटना घटी वो दर्शाता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने कैसे पश्चिम बंगाल को बना दिया है, क्योंकि पूरा जो प्रोग्राम है इसमें शुरू से लेकर अंत तक पश्चिम बंगाल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है वो पूरा तृणमूल ने हाईजैक किया है। पैसे की इसमें लूट हुई है, 5,000 8,000 रुपये की टिकट भी बेची गई, उसमें टिकट की भी कालाबाजारी हुआ, इसमें करप्शन हुआ। मतलब तृणमूल कांग्रेस रहेगा और करप्शन नहीं होगा, ये तो हो नहीं सकता। इसमें भी करप्शन हुआ, बोतल जेब होके वो भी तृणमूल के लोग हैं, अरूप विश्वास के लोग बोल रहे हैं लोग कि अरूप विश्वास के लोग हैं। तो पूरा मेसी का मेज बना के रख दिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने और तृणमूल कांग्रेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन।
Komalka continues to be with us on the broadcast. So Komalka, similar to the points that you were raising, the BJP also training its guns at Mamata Banerjee, saying an apology is insufficient given the different events which just took place, the series of unfortunate incidents which just led up to this complete chaos where these kind of images are now embarrassing the nation on the international stage.
And it's also about perception, We'll just try to show you. You can see that the DG Bengal, Rajiv Kumar, he himself is in the playground, and he along with the ADG LO, Javed Shamim, they are all there on the playground. They're trying to assess the situation, trying to investigate, and what we know is DG will be briefing the media sometime from now. Definitely this is an embarrassment. A lot of questions will be raised, and these questions definitely will be on the organizers as well as on the management who actually had this planned this program, and also definitely on the police. What were police doing at that point of time? That's definitely a question which will be raised. And you can see the DG out there, and definitely this is something. It is about perception. It's perception that we remember in 1996 in Eden Garden there was this semi-final of World Cup, where also there was India was losing at that point of time. People were angry and they also thrown bottle and all. Why the bottle was allowed inside the stadium? That is also a very big question. Bottles should not have been allowed, because in Eden Gardens we know that the bottles are not allowed. That is something, there are nitty-gritties which that have not been followed. That question should be raised. Again, now there is huge contingent of police, but I have seen it through my eyes how it all went wrong. And definitely it is all about the perception fight, what people feels about Bengal, what people thinks about Bengal. And now with these things, definitely a lot of questions will be raised. The specific question which needs to be raised is those people who were surrounding Lionel Messi, the sports minister, all the influential people, what were they actually doing surrounding Messi? Obviously the sports should be there for the greeting of Lionel Messi, but who were the other people with him? That is the big question. Who were the people? There was absolutely a crowd. And who were those? There were video cameras, there were still cameras, they were allowed, some of them were allowed, who were doing their personal videos and who were giving us feed. But apart from that, let me tell you, I have seen it from my eyes. There were people who had no work out there, but were there, and constantly there was this announcement was made that please go out of the playground. Because of that, it's all about sentiment. As here people are really sentimental, but let me again stress on that point. What people have done, they have vandalized, they have taken law in their hand. That is absolutely wrong. That creates a bad perception of Bengal, that creates a bad perception of our own city, Calcutta, which is not right. But the question is, their point too needs to be taken, that they have spent thousands and thousands of money to come and see Messi. We have seen people have cancelled their honeymoon, people have cancelled their exam, people have done what not to come for this program. After that, if they could not see their hero, then who is responsible for that? And then what they did, what the public did is also definitely, this is not the way the Kolkata is, and definitely it's all about perception. It again raises question about the management, the mismanagement, as Mamata Banerjee has also pointed out.
Absolutely. And there was a reason why Kolkata was the first leg of the GOAT tour by Lionel Messi, is because Kolkata is the mecca of football fandom. But ladies and gentlemen, that entire image completely stands, blown to bits given the scenes that we're seeing coming in from the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. Fans completely going on a rampage just to get a glimpse of their hero Lionel Messi. And the fact that they couldn't get it, they went on this rampage, vandalizing the iconic Salt Lake Stadium. And currently, right now, there are a lot of police personnel on the ground. But where were they when these scenes were emerging at the Salt Lake Stadium? When this individual was taking that steel rod and vandalizing the entire stadium, when these goons were on the stadium and destroying different parts of it, where were these police personnel? That is the big question before the TMC government.